I don't even know where to begin. Well, AI is going to have a transformational impact, whether one likes it or not. And often I say to audiences or organizations that for all the extent to which AI may be overestimated in the short term, and I believe in a lot of aspects it is, in the long term, we may be vastly underestimating the impact and the spread of AI. It's exactly the opposite. It says the people over 50 are going to be needed for their perspective, their judgment, that having seen the movie before, having lived through these various cycles, the people that are in danger are the people coming out of universities now, because those are the jobs that can be replaced most easily by AI. And so, what a number of organizations have said is that they're thinking about, over the next 5 to 10 years, how they operate as much leaner, much smaller organizations with significantly fewer employees.
On the other hand, if I go and hire somebody from UTD, University of Texas at Dallas, they're naturally AI savvy. So they use Cursor and they build an app in 2 minutes. Would they be able to build it in production? Not really. That's why they need people like me to figure that out.
He said you should be studying critical thinking, broader liberal arts, because those are a lot of the perspectives that will be valued when a lot of roles and processes are replaced by algorithms. So right direction, roughly 95% of organizations saying they're delivering some type of business value from their data and AI investments.
Only 50 plus or 53%, I think you mentioned, who are delivering in the higher end of the value. Okay.
Yes. So, implemented in production at scale in 2024, 5% said they were. Last year, 23% said they were. And this year, it's 39%. So there's been a huge upward trajectory in terms of implementation. For example, at JPMorgan, the chief data and AI officer is now part of the 14-person operating committee. At companies like Colgate, Palmolive, the chief data and AI officer is part of the operating committee. So it's still the exception as opposed to the rule.